In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can record movies, TV shows, or anything you like to your SkyGo box if you're out and about and you are going to miss something. So what you can do is simply put it on record for you to watch later or when you return home. So the first thing you will need to do is head over to your SkyGo app. Once you head over to SkyGo, obviously it will take a couple of seconds to load up because SkyGo seems to be pretty slow here on Android. So once it loads up, I will show you what you need to do. So first of all, once it's loaded up, this is the page you will be on, and if you want to record something, all you simply need to do is go to the TV guide. Once you open up TV guide, you will need to find the program, sports match, anything you like to record to your SkyGo box. So for example here, if I click on the drop down menu and select sports for example, what I can do is find the channel that I want to record the program on. So as you can see here, Liverpool versus Chelsea is coming on at 5 PM. And just for example, if I am out and about and I'm going to miss this game and I want to watch it at a later date, all I simply need to do is come on my SkyGo app and then click on the record button. Once I click on that, as you can see, you can click on record once on Skybox. If you click on that, what that will do is it will just set up this game to record. So as you can see now, there is a red R under this specific program. So what that does is tells you that this program is ready to be recorded. So if this video did help you out, please let me know in the comments down below, drop a like on this video, and I will see you in the next one.